Here it is. This is the dish I was talking about. I think we can grow some mini petunias here.
Arghentrock.
Hey guys, so you see this cutting? This is actually, can you plant it is? It's this plant. This plant. Don't know what this plant is, but it's a.
So orchids yan eh.
I think it's an orchid, part of an orchid. Anyway, we found this already cut, but it's still alive. It's been alive for I don't know how long, maybe weeks. And come here, take a closer look. See, it already has roots, and it's very alive. It's like an air plant because it's been alive, but without any contact to soil. It's been alive, just hanging there. And anyway, I've decided to use this little dish. It's an earthenware dish from Daiso, Japan. And here it is. This is the dish I was talking about. I think we can grow some mini petunias here.
Sulangin.
See?
So sulayang ano,
Nice.
kailangan well drain yan. Walang butas yan.
It's a very hard pot. It's a dish, and I've been wanting to plant something in here, but I haven't thought of the plant. But now this, so I have the opportunity to try this out. So I'm going to place this in here and add a little soil and see what happens.
Ano lang sa'yo?
Soil.
Yung nasa maliit.
This
Yes, isa. Yan.
Okay, so how do I'm going to use this stick. I don't know if I'm doing a good job or if I'm just making a big mess. Okay. I'm going to stick this in here. Lower it a bit. Maybe add some more soil. And I guess that's it. See? Not a pretty setup, but let's see what happens. I'm gonna spray this soil with some water. Okay. And hopefully this will cascade down and it will become a pretty plant. So guys, we don't know what kind of plant this is. Let us know, because it came from this pot. There, see, still lots of them in there. We don't know what kind of plant this is. See, so help us out. I'm sure it's an air plant. But now, I have my own air plant in this little dish. And I don't know if I'm doing this correctly. So, I'm going to put this air plant somewhere. I don't know where to put this plant. Oh, I'll put it here. Okay. I'm just gonna imitate rain. Okay, so that's it. So follow this space and we'll see what happens to that track. See you around.
Arghentrock.